Hi friends, let me show you these new dog food mats that I received for reviewing purposes. They are a gray color. They are a plastic silicone material. They mix as a big dog bone, and they have these raised edges that make it sit perfect. If your dog throws away water or some food, the mats will keep that product inside of the mat with these edges. Even you can pick it up from the side and some of the food or water could be here, okay? It has these holes if you want to hang it to dry whenever you wash them, okay? One for the food, one for the water. Let's try it. You can see they are big enough to hold almost any size of tray. Let's put here the food and the water. As you can see, they can fit almost any size of food or water tray. And your pets will eat from them. And if something is dropped from the tray, like let's say, if they drop some water, water basically will stay inside the edges, okay? Like this. You can see, you can pick it up and throw it away. Also, if your pet leaves some food in the tray, you can pick it up and take it to the trash, just like that, with this raised edge. When you wash them, you can hang them to dry from these holes, okay? That's it. There they are. They will get dry there, and you can use them again. Very convenient. Thank you.